just wanted to thank you guys for working with me. It's been a pleasure. You guys have been great clients. And anything you want to say about working with me, if I was responsive, if I was communicative, did I meet your expectations? Anything you want to say at all?
Okay.
Or you can say something bad if you want.
Okay.
Well, we worked with other brokers before we worked with you, and you got a response right away. And anytime we gave you a list of like 40 houses, we got to see all 40 of them within like 3 days.
Yes.
So you got us into every house that we wanted to see right away, and as the name of the game is, jump on the house. So
Yeah.
you got us in there. You calmed our nerves when we were nervous about stuff.
This is true.
What else?
You were really easy to work with. It's not, we, like you said, we worked with other realtors, and they didn't really have a personality to kind of help us move forward with houses. And you were just really more than a realtor. You're kind of like a friend, and it really helped us a lot. We really appreciate it.
Well, I couldn't ask for better than that. I feel the same way about you guys. You guys were not like looky-loos and wasting time. You were serious
we really
about...
wanted a house.
Yeah, you really wanted a house, and it was worth coming up to Acton and Pepperell and all those places to find something. And you've got a beautiful house here. There's a beautiful Victorian. I showed my wife the other day. She said, "Wow, that's beautiful. Why don't we get something like that?" So, thanks again for working with me, and I wish you a lot of happiness in your new home.
Thank you very much, Fran. We appreciate it.
Thanks a lot, guys.